Hi everyone, it's Marietta. Happy Monday. In today's live, I want to answer your questions, especially regarding diversity visa lottery, because many of you guys are asking me, especially when it comes to eligibility criteria and the requirements. So I'm going to answer some of your questions, and also I'm going to clarify things that you guys ask all the time, because there is a little bit of confusion going on. First things first, diversity visa lottery registration period will open up in 2 days, October 3rd, noon, EST time zone, and will close November 6th, 12 noon, EST time zone. Some of you guys said I should get the facts straight. Well, here you go. I am sharing the official source, and I'm going to be reading from the official source, so I think that is as straight as I could possibly get. I'm doing great. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. By the way, there is the masterclass happening that I'm launching, that I'm hosting this week, October 3rd, and already 300 people registered. The maximum I can host is 500 people. So if you are signing up for the masterclass, make sure to tune in on time, because if there is more people than 500, then you won't be able to tune in. You know what I mean? So I highly recommend to definitely stay tuned, and the link I already shared, it's about this video, and if you watch me on YouTube, it's going to be below. Okay, that is for people who actually want to join the live masterclass. And in the live masterclass, I'm going to actually show you how to submit the entry. I'm literally going to submit the entry, so you can watch me. You can submit at the same time with me. I'm also going to cover what you can do if you were not selected, what is the plan B, okay? And I'm also going to cover how you check if you were selected. So it's going to be very, very, very informative class. And like I said, we have already 300 people who sign up. Okay, let's do this, guys. So, eligibility requirements for diversity visa lottery. First one is that you need to be born in the country whose natives qualify. Okay, so what does this mean? Is, for example, if you were born in a country that is eligible, but right now you are a national of country that is not eligible, you can apply. Okay, because I saw many comments like that. People were born in countries that do qualify and they are eligible, but they live in countries that is not eligible. Can they apply? Yes, you can. So let's break it down, okay? I'm actually going to literally read from the official source, so people don't think I'm talking crap, because I was laughing, like someone just commented, get the facts straight. I'm like, dude, hello, I'm attorney. There is probably a reason for that. Hello. So I'm also going to share the link where you can click and you can read it for yourself on your own. And you have to understand that diversity visa lottery is actually free. So don't pay anybody, okay? There are some websites out there asking you to pay $99, scam, fraud, period. Okay? Do not apply through any website like that, and don't pay $99. Fraud, period. Right now, today, you cannot apply because the lottery will open up on October 3rd. Obviously, the link is not available to apply, and there are still people asking me, how can I apply? I'm like, oh my God, am I talking to people like who don't understand English or what? You cannot apply yet. It's going to be open next week. That's the point, you know what I mean? Okay, cool. By the way, thank you for your likes, guys, and hearts and comments. I see some comments in different language that I don't understand, so I'm not able to answer your question unless you speak English. Type in English, please. All right, guys, so let's do this. I'm going to read the, here we go, where is it? Give me a second, okay? Let me just find it. Give me a second. If you have any questions, please ask me, okay? So guys, all right, let's do this. What do the terms native and chargeability mean? Native ordinarily means someone born in particular country regardless of the individual's current country of residence or nationality, okay? That being said, if you were born in country that is eligible, however you reside currently in country that is not eligible, you can apply. If you were born in country that is eligible, however, currently you are a citizen of country that is not eligible, you can apply. Now, I'm going to share the link again when I'm done with this video. There's going to be a link that I'm going to share with you guys. Below this video, you can click on that link and see the list of countries, all right? That is the official source, and you can read the instructions or join the masterclass on Wednesday, October 3rd. Whatever works for you. See what I mean? Actually, someone got upset, like, why am I doing the masterclass? I'm like, actually, because there are people who need information and they still ask for help. That's why I'm doing the masterclass. Simple answer to that question. All right, so let's continue reading the definition of chargeability, okay? Native can also mean someone who is entitled to be charged to a country other than the one in which he and she was born. Because there is a numerical limitation on immigrants who enter from a country or geographic region, each individual is charged to a country. Your chargeability refers to the country towards which limitation you count. Your country of eligibility will normally be the same as your country of birth. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you guys, so let me just say it in plain English. If you are from the country, if you reside in the country that is not eligible, check if you were born in country that is eligible, okay? If that is not the case, then your other option would be to claim the chargeability, and the word chargeability just means you can apply, okay? So that means you can claim it through your spouse or through your parents. There are two circumstances in which you can still be able to apply. First, if your spouse was born in eligible country, you might claim chargeability to that country, okay? So, if you are not eligible because you were born in country that is not eligible, okay, or you reside in country that is not eligible, or you are native currently or citizen of country that is not eligible, but your spouse is from country that is eligible, you can apply. Make sense? That's the first circumstance. The second one is you can be charged to the country of birth of either of your parents as long as neither of your parents was born in or a resident of your country of birth at the time of your birth. So let's say if you were born in the country that is not eligible, but neither of your parents was born in that country, or neither of your parents resided in that country when you were born, you can claim the eligibility through your parents. Okay, I hope it makes sense. I'm trying to use plain English so you guys understand, because I don't want to overwhelm you. That is the frequently asked question, you know, because many of you guys were born in country that is not eligible but reside in country that is eligible. So what can you do in that case? Or many of you guys actually reside in country that is not eligible, or even you are a citizen of that country, but in fact you were born in country that is eligible. So you can apply. Okay? Now, The second requirement, and I was already covering this in my previous video last week, where I was discussing the educational requirements. So you can go back to that video and you can definitely check it out. Okay, I'm not going to cover the educational requirement in this video. You just go back to my YouTube channel and check out that video. Is Morocco eligible? Yes, Hafid, it is. As far as I know, it is. Tojo, you can check the link I'm going to share below this video, and you're going to find the list of countries that are eligible and also countries that are not eligible. So you will know exactly if you can apply or you cannot apply. You will understand everything when you read it. You have to read it, guys, or join the masterclass. But because then if you don't read, you don't have the information, you don't know, and then you go and you register through the website that is charging you $99. And by the way, there are many websites that are currently charging you $99, even though the lottery is still not yet open, okay? And that is fraud, okay? So do not be victim of a fraud because you lack the right information. All right, guys. So yeah, there is a lot to talk about, honestly. Hello, Khalid. Hi. Hello. Like, how many hellos? Like 10 hellos? Nice to see you. Another frequently asked question is, how much does it cost to enter diversity visa program? There is no charge to submit electronic entry. However, if you are selected and apply for diversity visa, you must pay all the required visa application fees at the time of visa application and interview directly to the U.S. consular cashier, okay? If you are selected, but that's not your case right now, so it's free for now. All right, guys, any questions, any relevant questions, let me know, because I'm going to wrap up this live very soon. I'm still checking the frequently asked questions. Let's see. The link is about this video, Tojo, the masterclass link. If I apply for DV lottery but don't qualify to receive one, can I get a refund of the visa fees I paid? No. Let's say you are selected in diversity visa lottery and then you go through the application process. Can you get a refund? No, you cannot. Because you're actually paying the US Embassy for the work involved with your application. They don't work for free. Hello, Hafid. Okay. How many individuals will be selected in diversity visa lottery? 50,000, you already know this. I want to apply, I'm a good person looking for opportunities to grow. Yeah, definitely check out the requirements if you do qualify, if you have a minimum high school diploma, if you are from eligible country, if you are native from eligible country, then you should be able to apply, and you never know. What if I lose my confirmation number? Okay, very important note. When you apply, you have to save your confirmation number, because in order to access the entrance status check, you need the confirmation number, guys. But there is a tool available. In case you lost the number, you can retrieve the confirmation number by inserting your email and other information relevant to your application. But I hope that you're not going to lose the number. How do I know if I'm not selected? Will I be notified? No, you won't. You have to check it on your own. If you don't, you're not going to know. Nobody's going to notify you. Imagine there's so many people applying every single year. And maybe this is the last time, by the way, that you have the opportunity to apply for diversity visa lottery. Hi, Mohammed. Even if they want me in the army, I won't apply. Don't know if the embassy offers the... I mean, what do you mean, army? For application, I use my last number. No, what do you mean last number? You mean number from previous year? You cannot use number from previous year. You have to apply again. Can I save the form and finish it later? No, you cannot. The entry form is designed, completed, and submitted at one time. I'm already registered for immigrant visa in another category. Let's say you are in the United States and you already applied for adjustment of status. Can you still apply for the diversity visa program? Yes, you can. Can I download and save diversity visa lottery entry form into a word processing program and finish later? No. Salute. By the way, guys, share this live if you can with people who want to apply so they can join us while I'm talking. Can you just share this live? Share. There is a button. Just hit share with people who need this information so they can join and ask me questions. Thank you. Alrighty. By the way, in order to increase chances to win and be selected, you can, obviously you're going to include your spouse, your kids, and your spouse can apply and then include you and kids. And then if your kids are 18 years old and they have a high school diploma, they can individually apply and include you as a parent. So that way you are increasing chances. I'm in the United States. Can I enter the diversity visa program? Yes. And enter my... yes, you can, of course. Even though you are currently in the United States. Regardless of your current status, you can. What if you are traveling and maybe you are in a different country? Maybe you are traveling and you are currently present in the country that is not eligible. Can you still apply? Yes, you can. It doesn't matter where you are, as long as what matters is whether you're native from eligible country. Okay, that is something that matters, as I was explaining at the beginning of this video. When can I submit the entry? I mean, this is obvious question. People still ask again and again, and I feel like they don't even watch my videos, or they always put the comment below this video, and even though I explain, yes, the registration period will open up next week. You can apply from October 3rd till November 6th. They still ask me, when is the registration period? For those people, the registration starts next week, October 3rd, noon EST, and ends November 6th, noon EST. Okay? Good. Is there a minimum age to apply? There is no minimum age to apply, but the requirement is the high school diploma or the equivalent, which is typically 18 years of age. The visa obtained is available in other countries, US as Canada. What do you mean, Torjo? Canada is not eligible country. And I'm talking diversity visa lottery for United States. I'm not talking diversity visa lottery for Canada. I am a licensed lawyer in United States, not in Canada, so I don't know what's going on with Canada. Can I go to the United States without my family because I want to go alone? Of course, sure. Nobody's forcing you to bring your family with you, of course. All right, guys, here, this one is good. What are the requirements for education or work experience? U.S. immigration law and regulation require that every DV entrant must have at least high school education or equivalent, all right? Or have 2 years of work experience within the past 5 years in occupation that requires at least 2 years of training or experience. Makes sense? I hope it does. Because that's important, you know, because even though you're selected and then you have to supply the evidence and they will go through the evidence, the U.S. consulate will go through the evidence that you have to show that you are meeting the requirements. Otherwise, you won't be approved. Even though you were selected in the diversity visa lottery, you were the lucky one, but you won't be able to move to the United States and immigrate because you don't meet the requirements. So you have to be careful. You don't ever lie in the application, because you're not going to be approved. You're not going to be approved to immigrate to the United States. Bob, Tanzania, cool. Welcome. Okay, I think I pretty much covered the frequently asked questions, guys. Okay. When it comes to the picture, these are the requirements. 600 times 600 pixels white background, light colored background. Somebody asked me recently, can I Photoshop the background? Yes, you can. No glasses, guys, okay? No head coverage or hats, okay? And the image file size should be 240 KB, 600 pixels times 600 pixels, up to 1200 pixels times 1200 pixels. So you have to adjust the image if it's too big or too small, okay? The color must be 24 bytes per pixel. I don't even know what it means, to be honest. I'm an advocate by profession who recently completed LLM. Is there any category for advocates? Well, good for you. Congrats. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. You know, just because you are a member of profession doesn't necessarily mean that automatically you're going to get a green card. I wish it's that easy. Sorry, because I've been there myself. I created my own business, my own company, so I can sponsor, and I did sponsor myself. So as far as I know, you are either sponsored by the law firm in the United States, or you are self-sponsoring EB2 national interest waiver. But definitely go for it, and maybe you can be selected. You never know. Congrats for your accomplishment. All right, I think I covered the photograph, right? Everything is clear there. Is it, guys? Visa construct, I don't understand anything. I don't speak your language. Bus construct. Hey Khalid. Hey Tahar. Oh, let's see if there is anything left that I want to share with you. Hope you guys doing well. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I covered everything. Let me just double check, okay? Let me double check, guys. Let me look for the list of countries that are not eligible again, all right? And I'm gonna go over the list of countries that are not eligible again. Just in case you are lazy to watch my other video, joking. All right, so these are the countries that are not eligible because more than 50,000 natives of these countries immigrated to the United States in previous 5 years. So here you go, guys. Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, China, mainland, born, Colombia, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Peru, Philippines, South Korea, UK, except Northern Ireland and its dependent territories, and Vietnam. These were not eligible countries. Persons born in Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan are eligible. Good? Hi. Tahar is asking, I don't speak English good. Yes, you can still apply even though you don't speak English well. You can still apply for the FC Visa lottery. Already, I think I covered all frequently asked questions. So again, like if you just tuning in, watch this video again because I pretty much covered every single question. And if you still need help and if you still need guidance, join the masterclass. The link is about this video. If you are watching me on YouTube, is below. And in the masterclass, I will guide you step by step how you can apply. Since long time I'm not watching you online. I'm very happy now. Okay, sure. You got it, Tarek. I'm good. Whoever is tuning in, nice to see you guys, but I'm gonna go. Kasun, my wife is under visit visa with me. Okay, even though if you are in the United States under visitor visa, you can still apply, as long as you are from the eligible country. Can you register through mobile? Yes, you can. In fact, if you need more information, I do have a video. Exactly, I made a video last year. You go to my youtube.com/immigrationbeast channel and search for the video how you register through mobile. You can definitely do that. Okay? Cool. All right, guys. Thank you for your likes, your hearts. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to share this video with other people. Okay? And do not pay anybody $99 ever. It's a scam, fraud, period. Don't go there, okay? You can do it on your own. You got it, Tarek. My pleasure. See you inside of the live masterclass for those who are tuning in, joining. Otherwise, have a great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.